Dober dan. It is an honor for me to serve as the United States Ambassador to Slovenia. This is an exciting opportunity for me, both professionally and personally. While building a successful business and raising 7 children in Alabama, I never lost sight of the need to go beyond our borders to share ideas and inspiration while helping others. The foundation that we started as a family improved access to education for thousands of children and helped fight poverty across the globe. Because I'm passionate about humanitarian work, I'm pleased to represent the U.S. in Slovenia, a country with unwavering respect for human rights and democratic values. As an entrepreneur, I hope to expand our economic and trade ties to see more American companies doing business in Slovenia and vice versa. I'm proud of American innovation, have heard much about Slovene ingenuity, and believe that together there is no limit to what we can achieve. For now, my kids and I can't wait to start exploring, from the clear waters of the Adriatic, up the raging rivers, to the towering peak of Triglav and beyond. We're anxious to experience Slovenian culture and your legendary hospitality. I look forward to meeting you.
Hvala!